While I blank at PNU, I became friends with a well-known writer. Am teaching, was teaching, had been teaching, have taught. So una muna, meron na tayong context na past ito since became. Tapos meron tayo ditong while. Ibig sabihin, nangyari to while this action that we're looking for in progress or ongoing. So alam natin una na progressive ito, ongoing ito. Pangalawa, now nasa past tayo na konteksto. Therefore, ang gagamitin natin ay past progressive. At ang formula ng past progressive ay was or were plus verb in ing. So ang sagot, letter B, was teaching. While I was teaching at PNU, I became friends with a well-known writer. Again, gumamit tayo ng past progressive kasi merong isang ongoing na action simultaneous with a simple past action.